Hi guys, I am your Subhas. I respect my all seniors and love juniors. Now I am here to discuss and explain you about the topic that is unemployment. So first of all, discuss about unemployment. The topic comes what? Employment. What is employment? Employment is the job which are performed by the good skilled manpowers like engineer, doctors, professor, etc. and etc. So they perform jobs and achieve money to what? To maintain their lifestyles, daily problems, to enjoy their daily lives. You everybody knows that. So unemployment. The topic is what? Unemployment. So it is the job works which are not received by all good skilled manpower, which are studying in the foreign country like India, Bangladesh, and other country. So people mostly suffer from these problems and going to the foreign country like Malaysia, Qatar, Dubai. Why? Because in our country the government has not ability, not capacity to provide, to supply the job facility to all the different skilled manpowers. No, because nowadays in our country everybody have lack of knowledge, don't know about anything. What is their life? What they are studying now? Because engineers are going in foreign country and they are enjoying fully, not have prestige of what? Any types of job, any types of facility, because they don't know about our world. They have lack of knowledge about world. So how they feel, how to maintain their lifestyle in future. So first of all, topics come was future. So think about future. What is future? What's the problem occurs in future? By being civil engineer, we have to make what? First of all, construction of building, bridge, dams, canals, airport, and other bridge sites. Everybody knows that. So what happens? The government of Nepal has not ability. They have lack of balance, lack of affordable balance to maintain, to provide better facilities of job, better facilities of employment to all the skilled manpower which are studying in our country or in foreign country. Everybody knows that. No? So my knowledge, my idea is to improve, is to provide a sufficient amount of knowledge to the government of Nepal to provide in different sites, different cities, different towns, a proper knowledge, a proper training centers, a proper coaching center to all the skilled manpower, which are engineers, doctors, etc. and etc. Because they achieve knowledge proper by studying in the foreign country and don't have idea to maintain, how to maintain and how to survive in the natural environment, how to maintain their daily lifestyle in according to how they are moving in the world. No? So unemployment. So the government of Nepal, the Prime Minister of Nepal, which is PM, everybody have ability, everybody have to maintain the different coaching center, training center, and also they have to provide a proper what? A college, proper institution to maintain their lifestyle as according how they are moving on. So unemployment have to give all the people which are selling and marketing, everybody in the market nowadays. Everybody knows that. So unemployment, it's come a vast difference problem in our world. No foreign country, in Nepal only. In Nepal, the different people suffering from this. So in example, in my elder uncles, their children's, 3 children's arrives. But their children's are what working? They are playing childhood. No? In middle children they are fishing, they are marketing fish, selling and buying in the market and achieve money to maintain their lifestyle. And now come topics on what? A smaller brother, which what working? They gets marriage in previous year and they not have lack of knowledge. They suffer lack of knowledge and they don't have the knowledge which have capacity to maintain their lifestyle. So what they are working and they are suffering from a ghost problem. They are not they have not any capacity of speaking or explaining any idea. or performing any job to any sites, any village, because they have lack of problem, lack of knowledge. So without knowledge, how can they teach, explain, and suggest any idea to other person, because they already have lack of knowledge. So their problem occurs from what? Studying, unemployment. They have lack of job. Government of Nepal have not capacity to provide jobs in different sectors, different area. No, so people what doing? People are working and performing jobs in different foreign country. In Nepal, the peoples are going to capital like different cities, different towns to perform job. And nowadays, so many shops are available to buying and selling different category of departments. No, because people have lack of employment, lack of job. Stop करता